Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel Biyahe ni Nonoy. So if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So sa gabing ito guys, we're here at the Vegan Conservation. At nakikita din natin dito yung mga decorations for Christmas. May mga wall painting pa guys. So ang ganda, ilang days na lang, Christmas na guys. So don't forget the reason why there is this season. So punta tayo sa my Tunnel of Lights.